Gone are the days when companies hired hundreds or even thousands of employees just because they won a large project. Gone are the days of bulk hiring. Gone are the days when uploading your resume to every job portal was enough to get into a call. Today's hiring market is completely different. Companies are no longer asking how many people can we hire. They're asking who has the exact skills we need. We are entered the era of skill-based hiring. Companies are becoming smaller, leaner, and more productive. And being everywhere, one highly skilled professional can often do the work that previously required several people. That means companies don't want more resumes; they want better talent. So if you are still using the same job search strategy that worked 5 or 10 years ago, there is a good chance you are preparing for a market that no longer exists. The rules have changed, the hiring process has changed, recruiters have changed, technologies has changed, and unless you change your strategy, your job search results won't change either. In this series, I'm going to show you how recruitment actually works in 2026 and beyond. Not the version you will hear from motivational speakers, not the version you will read on generic career websites, but the version recruiters experience every single day. Because after spending years in recruitment, I've seen how companies really hire people. And trust me, most job seekers are playing yesterday's game. Today, I will show you how to win tomorrow's game. Please stay until the end. The information I share here will change your way of applying for jobs. What if I told you that the majority of jobs you are applying for may already be halfway filled before they are ever posted online? Think about that for a moment. Every day, thousands of professionals spend hours on LinkedIn, Naukri, and Indeed. They carefully update their resumes. They apply to 50 jobs, 100 jobs, sometimes even 500 jobs. Yet many of them receive little or no response. Meanwhile, someone else lands the same opportunity without ever applying online. Why? After spending years in recruitment, I've learned something that completely changed how I view hiring. Most candidates think hiring starts when a job is posted. Recruiters know hiring often starts much earlier. And today I'm going to show you exactly how hiring really works, where recruiters actually find talent, and 3 practical things you can start doing today to dramatically increase your visibility. Stay until the end because I will reveal why many experts estimate that up to 85% of jobs may never be publicly advertised, what that means for your career. Let me tell you about a candidate I once interacted with. He has highly skilled, good experience, strong resume, yet he had applied to more than 300 jobs in 3 months. Very few interview calls. His confidence was collapsing. When we spoke, I asked him a simple question. Outside of applying online, what else are you doing to get noticed? His answer, nothing. And that's exactly where most professionals get stuck. They believe job searching and job applying are the same thing. They're not. Applying is only one small part of the process. Understanding how hiring works is far more important. Here is something most professionals never hear. Candidates and recruiters are playing two completely different games. Yes, that's right. Candidates focus on job postings, recruiters focus on finding talent. Those are not the same thing. Most candidates think they are entering a race when a job gets posted. In reality, recruiters may already be halfway to the finish line. The search often starts much earlier, and that's where many opportunities are won or lost. One of the biggest misconceptions I see in this, candidates believe visibility starts when a vacancy appears online. Recruiters start identifying talent long before that. Sometimes weeks, sometimes months, sometimes even before the official approval arrives. Let's look at how many recruiters actually hire. Step 1, employee referrals. Step 2, internal candidates. Step 3, existing ATS database. Step 4, LinkedIn sourcing. Step 5, Naukri or any job portal database. Step 6, public job advertisement. Now stop and think. Most candidates spend nearly all of their effort competing at step 6, the most crowded stage of the entire process. Let me give you a real world example. Imagine I need to hire a software engineer. Do I immediately post the job online and wait for 500 resumes? Probably not. First I ask colleagues, then I check previous candidates, then I search my ATS database, then LinkedIn, then Naukri. Only after exhausted these channels might the role appear publicly. In some cases, the position gets filled before it ever reaches the job portal. This happens far more often than most candidates realize. This is why applying to 500 jobs may produce fewer results than building 5 meaningful professional relationships. Read that again. 5 relationships, not 500 applications. This brings us to something called the hidden job market. Think of hiring like an iceberg. The visible tip is what everybody sees: job portals, career pages, LinkedIn job postings. But underneath the surface lies a much larger world: employee referrals, recruiter database, professional communities, alumni networks, industry associations, WhatsApp groups, Telegram groups, past candidates, internal mobility. That's where a significant portion of hiring activity takes place. Many studies estimate that between 70 to 85% of jobs may never be publicly advertised. Even if the actual number varies by in industry, the message remains the same. Many opportunities are discovered before they are posted. And here is the scary part. Most professionals spend 90% of their effort competing for the visible 15 to 30%. Imagine investing all your energy in the smallest part of the opportunity pool. That's exactly what many job seekers are doing today. Let's be honest, recruiters are under pressure, hiring managers are under pressure. Companies want faster hiring, lower risk, better retention. Referrals help solve those problems. When someone trusted recommends a candidate, a layer of uncertainty disappears. That's why referrals often move faster. That's why networking matters, and that's why visibility matters. If I were hiring today, here is what I would look for. Not just a resume, not just certifications, not just AI generated applications. I would look for visibility, credibility, industry engagement, professional reputation, community participation, proof of skills. The strongest candidates are often visible before they become available. Today, now let's make this practical. If you're serious about career growth, start doing these 3 things immediately. Action 1: optimize your LinkedIn profile. Make it recruiter friendly. Add achievements, keywords, projects, recommendations. Action 2: join professional communities, industry groups, alumni groups, WhatsApp communities, Telegram communities, networking events. Action 3: reconnect with your network, former colleagues, managers, classmates, mentors. Opportunities often come through people who already know your network. If you are interested in understanding hiring trends, recruiter insights, future jobs, AI's disruption, salary growth, and career opportunities before they become obvious to everyone else, subscribe to the Recruiter Insights, because the world of hiring is changing much faster than most professionals realize. Job portals are not disappearing tomorrow, but hiring is evolving. We have already seen the size of community hiring, AI-powered sourcing, skill-based hiring, portfolio-based hiring, talent marketplace, recruiter communities, and these trends are accelerating. Here is my prediction. In 5 years, professionals who build strong networks will outperform professionals who only apply online. In 10 years, your digital reputation may matter more than your resume. The question is, are you preparing for that future today? This is only episode 1. In the next episode, I will reveal why so many jobs never reach public job portals. And after that, I will show you exactly how recruiters search for talent using LinkedIn, ATS database, and sourcing techniques most candidates never see. Have referrals helped you get a job faster than applying online? Or do you believe job portals are still the best way to get hired? Share your experience in the comments. Remember this, most professionals spend their careers staring at the tip of the iceberg. The smartest professionals learn how to access everything beneath the surface. And that's where opportunities often lie. I will see you in the next episode of the Recruiter Insights. Until then, thank you. Bye.